Shoot, welcome back to another episode, folks. We're doing more Danger Ranger things, and we got a surprise. We got a new used transmission. It's only got 200 some odd thousand. It's fine. Then I got the motor stand ready to go. We're gonna pop that pan off there. We're gonna put a new one, new filter, and a new gasket on there, and it's all gonna be dandy. So stay tuned for that. You ain't gonna want to miss it. How's that going for you?
It's going.
It's going.
Weather ain't treating us right.
Yeah, it's blizzarding. 2.5 foot of snow. Perfect. Alright, we're out of the magical time lapse and we got that pan off there. She's sludgy, but looks good. We can't reuse this pan because at U-Pull, where we got this transmission, they pop holes in the transmission pans, and that's how she goes. So, fine sir, would you like to flip this transmission over so we can see what our filter and things look like? It's a surprise for me too. It looks very clean in there. That doesn't look like a 200 some odd thousand mile transmission. Now does it, sir?
No.
No. That looks like a 40,000 mile transmission. That's a selling point. So I think we're gonna go back into the time lapse and see if we can find where that went. Oh, I don't know where it went. I think he's going to grab it, but we got our new pan gasket and our new filter. And if you can't see already, it's snowing like a son of a gun out here. I ain't kidding ya. So, yeah. Next part you'll see is us in time lapse again, and hoping to have this thing in the Ranger by tonight, and hopefully running and driving by Friday, because it's Wednesday right now. So yeah, stay tuned for something like that. Stay here, don't go anywhere. Yeah. Alright, now that that's done, rebuilt transmission, right?
Yeah, rebuilt.
Rebuilt. All we need is clean her up now. And a sticker in this thing. So, what do you say?
Let's get her carried over there.
Let's go. Okay, we're gonna carry that quick. Yeah. Alright. Welcome back, folks. Last time you saw me, I was what are we doing? Oh, putting the transmission in the truck. But I woke up this morning and I came out in the garage and it's like, the Ranger's gone. Oh, it's because I got a little gun-ho excited the other day, and been daily driving her. She's running right now. Ranger on the road, on my driveway. But yeah, running real nice now. It's got that 200 some odd thousand mile transmission in it. We're not gonna talk about that. Look at this thing. What a sweetheart. Running steady 1,000 RPM. I mean, it's not hot. Good oil pressure. Good radio. door shuts. But I think the next thing we're gonna do some more preventative maintenance. I think we're gonna do oil change quick, and heck, motor and transmission will both have services, so let's get it on to that. And I'm gonna pull her in the garage real quick, so see you guys underneath the old gal. It's running like a sweetheart. Alright, so come over here and stand by. We got our Ford frickin' Ranger in the garage, and she's on the ramps. What do we got for oil today? We got ourselves a Fram PH 880 9AA. Perfect. We got for Earl, we got the Quaker State flavor 5W20. So let's get the changing on her and all. So as you can see, we're underneath the rig now. What you're gonna need is a 16 mil wrench and drain pan of choice. You just, you know, you draw underneath her and you do the thing with the thing. Oh, on your creeper. This is going great. Oh yeah. Hot scalding oil on my arms. There we go. You know. Woo. She's free, Willie. Darker than night. She's a gosher. Yeah. But got no metal on her. So we're doing alright. Might want to go get that checked out. That's fine. Oh. There we go. Check her one last time and you're out of the garage. Right on the money. Shoot, so there you folks have it. That was the story of the old green bean casserole Ford Ranger. Pretty mint. Bought her, no reverse. Transmission gave up on life. Well, she runs and drives. Saved her from the wrecking yard, if you'd say that. Kind of all over the place. Did the transmission. Did a oil change. She's back on the road. Ready to go. So remember, if you folks like this video, to hey, like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next episode of the Ranger video, where we're gonna address the bed. Probably get, ooh, just about fell down. Probably gotta build a flat bed. Maybe. I don't know yet. We'll have to see. So, guys, stay tuned. And as I always say, keep them wrenches, or no, keep turning them wrenches. Maybe one day, you'll be just like me. Buying green bean casserole Ford Rangers. And going to U-Pole and laying in the snow and pulling transmissions and swearing, and yeah, it's a debacle, man. Yeah.